What's up, everyone? My name is Duana, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Today we're going to be giving you a really quick hair tutorial for the summer. Now, I know that a lot of people have a difficult time with box braids, so I'm going to give you the quickest, easiest box braid installation that you've ever seen. It will take you a very little bit of time, and you will be so happy that you don't have to comb your hair anymore, okay? So if you want to see it, stay tuned. Y'all, we here with the fresh blowout. About to start braiding my hair. I just blew it out and now I'm about to part it so that it makes it easier for me to do my hair. So I'm just gonna part it in 4. Parts are really important. Maybe not so much in the back, but definitely in the front and on the top. So I parted in these 4 quadrants so that we can get them looking good. To braid my hair, I have utensils. I have this rat tail comb here and then this edge comb that has this pointy thing at the end. Those are for my parting tools. I have this 300 pack of rubber bands. I have shining jams. I got a lot of them because these are almost done and this one is not almost done. I have braiding yarns. I have 4 of these. Easy, text-free, stretch, lightweight, blah, blah, blah from Janet. I have 4 of them plus 1, I think it's 5 actually. Yeah, it's 5 and change. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to part out my hair altogether completely because that is just gonna help me with the braid down. So now that I've finished parting out the front, I realized that this side and this side are 2 different sizes. And while in your hair, when you're braiding it, especially by yourself, on yourself, you can have different size parts, but not in the front. So I'm going to do a little wiggle waggle. And the reason I do this, especially when I'm doing jumbo braids or bigger braids where the parts actually matter, is because like it's kind of like you're measuring twice, cutting once. Because imagine if I had braided up all this side or all this side and realized that these sides were smaller. Then I had to take all of it out. I don't have time for that. So we're just gonna part it out first, and hopefully this takes the most time so that when I start braiding, after I get in a rhythm, I could just put them all in, you know? Okay, so I am done. It took me a little bit longer than it needed to, but we're okay. Reggie had to help me because I was having some trouble, but we are okay. Okay? We're good. I look like Canary from Hunter x Hunter. That's a good person to look like.
3 hours later.
I'm down to the last 6, and so I feel like this will be a good time for you guys to see exactly how I do this. And now I'm going to take the Shining Jam and just like kind of grease my scalp with it, but not really. Just trying to make it so that these parts stay nice and crisp in the rubber bands. And then continue doing that for all the rest of them that are in that row. So I'm gonna do them for all 6 of these out here, up front, and then we'll start braiding. So we have this piece of hair right here that we are going to be braiding into our braid. We have one piece of hair right here that we're going to put on this. So we're going to take this piece of hair that is ours, we're going to wrap the braid hair around it, and you're just going to begin to braid down. That's it. This is the easiest way to put in box braids, and then you're just going to continue to braid down. Then when you get to a certain place, you can start switching hair. So I start moving the part that's just my hair over into the part that has braids, and has the hair, and then I can move some of the hair over to the part that's just mine, and just keep doing that. It might take you a while to get it nice and flat, but as long as whatever piece you're taking from, make sure, or whatever piece you're giving to, make sure it's in the middle. I think this has come to a part where, okay, so this is about the length that I want to end it. I'm going to take a rubber band to secure the end. I am going to use my scissors to cut maybe about a centimeter. Take the rest of the hair off, throw it in the trash. Then I'm going to take this right here and just scooch it around. Scooch, 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 scooch. And that's it. We're done. All right. Let's do the rest of them. Alright, so I'm at a pretty decent spot. Going to begin to move hair over. And just continue to braid down. Oh, I look like the 90s. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, here we go again. Wrap it around. You have your 3. 1, 2, 3. And then just start braiding. So let's see if we can get a close-up of me trading here. So this one is in the middle. Take a little bit of that and then braid down. And then this one is in the middle. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and then braid down. We should be good. And there we have it. So guys, that was the tutorial. This is the finished product. I love them. I think they're so cute. I was scared that I was gonna look, I don't know what I thought I was gonna look like. I thought I was gonna look crazy, but I look like, you know, African-American Cleopatra. I like that. This is cute because, you know, Cleopatra, she might have been white Anglo-Saxon, I don't know. She was Elizabeth Taylor, that's who it was. They actually came out a little bit longer than I wanted them to, and they're not as even as I wanted them to, but I actually really like them. I like how it came out. All in all, I have 43 braids in my head. It took me less than 3 hours from installation to finishing, like literally like less than 3 hours. This is the quickest I've ever put any braids in my hair at all. And it was super easy because we used rubber bands and, you know, we didn't have to learn how to like hold the hair or anything like that. It's just a really good way to put a protective style in your head if you are still quarantining and socially isolating from everybody, but you don't want to comb your hair anymore. This is so cute and on trend. It's like the 90s came back, but it's fresh, you know? I was alive back when we used to do braid bobs and burn the ends, but this is a new take on it and I like it, and it doesn't stick to your clothes and it doesn't hurt you when you go to sleep, so that's great. They were so easy, y'all. They really were. They really were. As long as you know how to do a regular braid, you can put these in your head. I promise you. I promise. And it's gonna look good. It is. It really is, because it's so easy. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you click the notification bell so that you can be a part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.